Bachacha! Yes! Bachacha box!
Let's build our writing skills. Writing can be lots of fun if we practice it together. Kindly take a print of this worksheet and get started with this writing activity. Let's learn how to make sleeping lines. This activity shall help us write alphabets such as I, H, L, and F in the future. To make it easy, we have visualized a snail that is crawling towards the plant. Let's do it together. Follow the dots. Place your pencil on the left dot and extend it to the right. Repetition helps us learn better. Let's do it 3 times. Help the snail to reach the plant. Stay on the dots. Gain control over the pencil by writing this over and over again. Snail shall crawl slowly towards the plant. Stroke the pencil from left to right. Practice makes us perfect. Good job! Let's do the sleeping line together. Stay on the dots. Quiz time! Identify the sleeping line from the following lines. A. Standing line. B. Slanting line. C. Curly line. D. Sleeping line. Great! You got that right! The answer is D. Share this free writing class with your friends.
Stay tuned to Bachacha box. Happy hours for kids.